9 technology tips to support study skills. Study Tips Series. In this digital age, students are consumed by technology. From social media to texting, their personal lives revolve around their phones and computers. Additionally, schoolwork is becoming increasingly digital as schools seek to reduce paper and increase their focus on implementing technology to enhance the academic experience. While technology should never replace formal instruction, it can be a valuable tool for students to find success in accessing and interacting with the curriculum. To maximize student learning and increase independence, it is important for students to develop appropriate study skills and habits. Managing time. Learning to appropriately prioritize and manage time is an important skill indicative of academic proficiency. Students must learn to determine when to complete assignments and in what order. In addition, students must also learn to anticipate the amount of time an assignment will take. Lastly, it is important to limit distractions during work time in order to be sufficiently productive. Technology can help students organize assignments and manage time well. Therefore, it is essential that students each use an appropriate system and master that system to become independent and effective in its usage. Calendars. Online calendars allow students to sync events and manage assignments and personal lives. Timers. Many variations of online timers exist to support students' understanding of time and time on task. These timers also promote productivity for a specific duration of time, which helps students to remain on task. Homework apps. These programs allow students to track and prioritize short and long-term assignments. Reminders and alerts can be set through these programs. Managing materials. The organization of materials is a precursor to the success a student will find in and out of the classroom. Each day, students are responsible for the organization of physical materials such as pens, papers, and assignments. In addition, they have to manage several physical spaces, including their desks, lockers, and bedrooms. Staying organized is especially difficult during transitional periods. There are many strategies for helping students to organize materials. The old filing system is a great way for students to keep paper materials organized. However, technology offers additional strategies, systems, and supports. Checklists. Electronic checklists are a great way to keep track of digital materials as well as assignments. These checklists can be accessed on any platform, synced with other devices, and shared with other people. Organizing and comprehending information. Through study skills instruction, students are taught methods to aid in comprehension. Finding the main idea, connecting details to main ideas, finding implied main ideas, finding the topic, summarizing information, and applying active reading strategies are all study skills used to make sense of the material. With this instruction, students are also taught how to record the necessary information. Technology can offer additional tools and formats for students to organize notes and information. Graphic organizers. Graphic organizers allow students to organize their ideas electronically on a variety of platforms and with a range of outlines. Note-taking templates. Note-taking templates allow students to create tables, thus utilizing the two-column note format electronically. Teachers can also create their own templates and share them with students to aid in the note-taking process. Technology provides another avenue for presenting students with models of how to organize their time, materials, and information, which will help them study smarter and not harder.